Hey everybody, it's Matt Ticken from Strategic Wealth Designers, and we just wanted to send everybody this quick video that talks a little bit about what we're seeing in the stock market right now, and of course, all the fears and concerns as it relates to coronavirus. We want to reassure all of our clients that we, as an investment team here at Strategic Wealth Designers, are meeting and talking several times per day about the situation, and we're paying constant attention to the headlines, and we'll be making any adjustments that we see necessary to try and protect and preserve the assets that you've entrusted us with here at the firm. I think what we've seen over the last week or so is a good reminder as far as why we have our core philosophies here at Strategic Wealth Designers to be that we need to keep your money in as safe of a position as we can as you move closer and into retirement. We need to make sure that over time we're earning a good rate of return, but then we want to keep things simple. And that's what I'm going to try and do here on this video is I want to keep things as simple as we possibly can. We had been saying for a while that we kind of felt like the stock market was due or maybe even overdue for some sort of a correction. As of earlier today, we actually met the technical definition of a correction, which is a 10% or more retreat from the all-time high that we saw in the stock market a couple of weeks ago. So again, we are analyzing the situation. We know that recently we made some changes to the portfolios in anticipation of an event like we're seeing here this week. So we're not expected at this point to really be making any dramatic changes to the portfolios. However, we may be taking some of the international risk or exposure off the table. We really feel like the United States economy is in a better position than, say, some of the European economies to survive the fears and concerns over coronavirus. As a matter of fact, earlier today, the new housing starts came out for January. The new numbers came out, and we had over a 7% increase for the month of January, which is the best we've seen since the financial crisis. So overall, the economy here in the U.S. is still doing very well, whereas, say, European economies prior to coronavirus was they were already teetering on recession. So we think that that's probably going to push international economies into recession, and that may actually drive some additional funds towards the United States and our stock markets. So we may be tweaking the portfolios a little bit in the days and weeks to come. But again, at this point, we're not anticipating any dramatic changes. However, we're analyzing it every single day and may change that opinion or that attitude if we continue to see things get a little bit worse. We are at this point anticipating that this market drop we've seen may be similar to what we've seen in the past when we had the SARS outbreak or Ebola, where when the headlines are very scary and dramatic, the market takes a little bit of a downturn. But then as things settle down a little bit and we learn a little bit more about the situation, then things have a tendency to rebound, in particular when the overall economy is doing well. So we will continue to communicate with everybody. If you have questions, by all means, give us a call at the office. If you'd like to schedule a conference call or maybe even come in and meet face-to-face with one of our advisors, that's what we're here for. If you want to know specifically how things are impacting your portfolios, then give us a call and we will let you know. And we even have a understanding market corrections brochure that we put together in anticipation of events like we're seeing right now. And anybody that would like a copy of that, then again, feel free. That's complimentary. You can contact the office and we're happy to send that to you. So rest assured that we are paying attention to the situation closely. We will make appropriate adjustments and we'll continue to communicate with everybody in the meantime. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or send us an email. Thank you.